All right, let's go through this practice exercise. You're going to indicate where the item would appear. Is it going to be on the income statement, statement of retained earnings, or balance sheet? Accounts receivable, we said that's an asset, right? All assets appear on the balance sheet. Land, that's another asset. Therefore, balance sheet. The owner's investment, okay. The owner's investment for a corporation is called common stock. Common stock, oh, this is a tough one, but common stock is going to appear on the balance sheet. And if you're not sure, think back to your notes that we did, right? For the balance sheet, common stock is going to show up under owner's equity. And if you're not sure, you can go back to the other statements that we did, right? It's not here. You don't see common stock on the retained earnings statement. You can go back to the income statement. Common stock, nope, we just see revenues and expenses on the income statement. So it could also be like process of elimination. Vehicle, that is an asset. All assets go on the balance sheets. Bank loan, that is a liability. So sad. And if all liabilities are on the balance sheet. Cash is an asset. Goes on the balance sheet. Supplies, same asset. Goes on the balance sheet. Accounts payable, anytime you hear payable, that's a liability. Liabilities are on the balance sheet. Computer printer, that's an asset. All assets, balance sheets. Expense, expenses show up on the income statement. There's that payable again, that's a liability. Liabilities are on the balance sheets. Drawings, ooh. It's all right. I'm all scared for you. Drawing. So in your reading, that's another word for dividends. Okay, no worries. Dividends, think back. It's on your statement of retained earnings. All expenses. If it just says sales, and I think this was in your reading too, if it just says sales, that's sales revenue. Revenue is on the income statement. Here they were nice enough to tell us service revenue. Revenues on the income statement. All right, hopefully did it okay. There were a couple curveballs, right? Just with the terminology, owner investment, and dividends is another word for drawings. It's another name for withdrawals, distributions. All right, hopefully you did good.